Today I just added a coin to my portfolio that I think can do an absolute 100x. This thing has a lot of high potential, and today I'm going to share it with you guys and the reasons why I think this can potentially happen, because this is huge and you guys don't want to miss this opportunity. So stay tuned, smash that like button, and let's get right into this. Alright guys, we're here on my computer right here. See my top 7 holdings right here. The 8th holding, the 8th largest holding in my portfolio now, the one that we're talking about today, is LitLab Games. This is a GALA Games in the making. If you guys know GALA Games went absolutely ballistic, totally insane. GALA Games went to like a, what was it? It was like a 50 or a 60 billion market cap. It was almost at $1 per token. This over here is a 12 million market cap. So small. Even GALA, if I pulled up GALA right now, this is 12 million market cap. Let me just pull up GALA because we want to put this in perspective for you guys here. That GALA's at an 820 million market cap. If ours 10x, it would be 120 million market cap. Times that by what this is, that's like a 70x from this current price. From GALA Games' current price. So LitLabs is 70x lower in price than GALA Games is right now. And GALA is at the bottom of the chart. The bottom, 3 cents out of 80 cents. And so GALA is a good buy, and GALA will go up. GALA, you'll probably see GALA travel its way back up the chart. That's all fine and good that GALA is going to do that. GALA is definitely a good project. But this thing has chances to blow. 70x? Imagine if we 70x'd what I have in my portfolio of this token, what I just picked up. And by the way I bought this token, I just trimmed profits from other projects. I trimmed some profits as all my tokens pump. I literally got into Osmo token at 83 cents and it pumped to $1.60. I took some off and I bought some of this. And not just that one, I took some of multiple of them off and loaded it into this. You know why? Well, let's look at the chart. On the chart here, we were at almost 6 cents. We're at 4 cents. I was buying this thing almost at exactly 4 cents earlier today. So basically, what is that? It's like a 35% down from the top of this bad boy right here. And we're touching all-time highs. This thing is new territory. It means there's no resistance above us. People would say this is no man's land, which yes, it is, because we're way up on the chart. There's nothing to compare it to. But you can compare it to something like GALA or the other big projects that are really absolutely exploding, that are at much, much higher market caps than this. And they have a game out already with a lot of active users, and these users love this game. They love this game. Now, there's one guy in here that does not like the game. Everybody else on this whole list is pretty much bullish on this game, and other YouTubers are talking about this project too. This is a project that definitely... I heard about this project on Crypto Banter this morning, did my own research, realized it's on Binance Smart Chain, where most of my tokens are in my MetaMask wallet. So it's really easy for me to get into this. You guys can get into this on PancakeSwap using BNB or like USDT on BNB chain. As long as it's compatible to your MetaMask wallet, you guys can pick this up there and keep it in an actual wallet instead of on an exchange. You wanted to, you can pull up their website, LitLab Games right here. This thing actually has the chances to explode right here. We wanted to talk about the fact that, what was GALA? GALA's at 3 cents. GALA was at 80 cents. Let's do some quick math for you guys. Say GALA was at 80 cents divided by the fact that GALA is at 3 cents. What is that, a 26x? So we're looking at a 26x from GALA's all-time high. So times the 70x that this is down right now, times 26x. That's what you've got. If this went to the all-time high of GALA, you have, what is that? 1800x? Is that right? 1800x? I could believe it, though. I could believe it because Bonk just did 20,000%. By the way, I don't know if my math was correct there. The math might not be correct. But the whole point is that this thing really has the potential to absolutely blow. I'm going to pull up the website real quick for you guys and just let you guys look over this with me real quick. This gonna be lit. Awesome. I like that. Buy lit token. There's links to their Telegram and their Discord. I definitely highly I suggest to check out the Discord and the Telegram of every project that you get into. Same with the Twitter. Those things matter. It matters if the team is active. It really, really does. Because if the team's not active, the project isn't going to make it. They have to be putting in an effort, and we have to be able to see that their effort is put in, right? And in that effort, it's the same thing everybody else is going to look at when they're researching a project. Because if you see that the project is dead and nobody's posting anything, the other investors are going to see the same thing, and they're also not going to want to buy it neither, meaning it's not going to get the buy pressure that it needs to actually pump. So anyway, they've got Cyber Titans out. You can play this game for free. It was released in May of 2023. I believe you could play this game on your phone. People love this game so far. A lot of good things happening. They've got a white paper in here you guys could check out. You could also stake this token right here. You can pull up their DApp. Web3 solutions. They've got an integrated wallet, lit token, on-ramp system. Cool right here. There's their partners, BNB Chain, Seedify, a lot of good partners in here. Chainlink, big deal. You can contact the team right here if you wanted to actually talk to them. I highly suggest you guys check out the game. And it might not be the best game because it's their first game, but like, you know what I mean? Like, at least they put a game out. There's games that we've been anticipating for years. They didn't even put the game out yet. They don't even have a game yet. At least this one has a game. And the reason that this is more foolproof than buying a game directly is because you're not buying Cyber Titans. They could release 4 more games, and even if Cyber Titans sucks, the other games could be good, and this thing could blow. So that's why this is better than buying. I'm not saying buying Cities Heroes. I'm not saying this is better than buying Cities Heroes, but this perhaps could be safer than buying a specific game because the game could fail. This has multiple chances to succeed. These projects like GALA games, like LitLab games, can have multiple games on them, and those games, each extra game is another chance of success for that project. However, if you built a Cities Heroes knockoff and it was horrible, that game, if it sucks, it's done. The game sucks. It's over. They can try to make it better, but once people realize, oh, that game's boring, I'm not playing that, they're never coming back. They're not going to check out whatever update you did to try and make it better because they already know it sucks and they don't like it and they don't want to waste their time. People don't want to waste their time anymore. So at 4 cents, this thing could easily go to $1. Not financial advice. Please do your own research. I picked up 16,000 tokens is how much I'm holding. My Patreon people are always getting these projects before you guys. The patrons get first notice of stuff like this. So for $5, hit the link down below if you guys want to join the Patreon. If not, check out this project. I hope you got value. Subscribe to the channel, and I cannot wait to be a part of your journey. Thanks so much for watching.